A Vaishnav, in essence, is a person who helps in maintaining balance, who cleans out the impurities and keeps the purity alive. That's a Vaishnav. So in this poem, it goes on to say, Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye. So they go beyond religion and now move into the qualities which is required to sustain, qualities which is required to maintain oneness. Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye Peed Parai Jane Re. Today we listen to a lot about empathy, but almost 400 years ago, the poet had written and gone that Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye Je Peed Parai Jane Re. A person who can understand the pain of others. And when they see the pain of others, they do some good and play their role in removing the pain. And in the process of doing that, they don't get egoistic and they don't get arrogant. So Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye Peed Parai Jane Re Par Dukhe Upkar Kare So. Par Dukhe, when somebody else is in pain. Mana Abhiman Na Aaye Re. So even if I help someone, it should not make me proud, it should not increase my ego. I should do it as if it is his will. And like that the poem continues. So any one of us ever wants to feel one with nature, with existence, with humanity, with people. And if you ever have this question, what is my role in this creation? What's the purpose of my life? Now let's say you have not found the purpose of it. Forget about the purpose. Can you find some people around you who have some pain? Do you know of some people around you who carry some kind of a weight? If you can just reach out and help others, it can be in maintaining a garden, it can be in having a playground for children, it can be maintaining cleanliness, it can be helping the aged people, anything. Anything that helps fellow people, you keep doing that and very soon you will find the purpose of your life. Par dukhe upkar kare so, man abhiman na aaye re. How beautifully the poet, in a few words, in a few lines, explains what a good human being is all about. In fact, what a human being is all about. Now, along with a set of musicians, which includes the singers and drummers and guitarists and many other background pieces, we have created this piece of music. Now, if you have eye for instruments, if you have the ears for instruments, you might be able to pick out somewhere around 30 different kinds of instruments being played in this one 8-minute track. You'll also find that we have created this piece of music in different layers. So there is one layer where the singing is very, very soft, which is kind of merging with the intense loud singing. The music is also very peppy, and I wish and pray that you really enjoy this piece of music. Withdraw yourself from everything. Align yourself completely with this piece of music. Have a desire to imbibe the quality which the poet intended for in this outstanding poetry, and listen to this piece of music. See yourself as one person who is a living embodiment of this poetry. Withdraw yourself from everything. Anchor yourself to this beautiful piece of music. This is the most dangerous part of doing good, isn't it? Feeling egoistic about the good that we have done.
ही को कहिए वैष्णव जन जन तेन वैष्णव जन तेन वैष्णव जन तेन ही को कहिए वैष्णव जन तेन ही को कहिए पीर पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तेन ही
Within you increase the desire to be a Vaishnav.
Re ga sa re ga ma ga sa ni re ga ma pa ma ga sa ni da ni da ni da pa ma da ni da ni da ni da ni sa ni da ni da pa 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 ba da 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 ni 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 da 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 sa ni da da ni da ba da ni da ba da ni da da ni da ni da ni da pa 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 da 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 ni 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 sa 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 pa 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 da 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 ni 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 da sa sa da ni da ga da ni da ga da ni da ga da ga da ga da ma ga sa da ma pa ma ga sa ni da ni da pa ma ga ga ma pa da ni ni da ni da pa ma ga sa वैष्णव जन तेन ही को कहिए वैष्णव जन तेन ही को कहिए पीर पराई
And pray for all Vaishnavas in the world to live life with strength.
वैष्णव जन तेन वैष्णव
For these good people, good human beings, are who sustains everything. Have a prayer that unknowingly ego creeps in. Unknowingly, dirt starts accumulating in our soul. And unknowingly, this is what distorts the way we look at ourselves in life. Today, in the context of this beautiful piece of poetry, wish and pray you become clean. Maybe take a few steps closer towards being an alvar. And therefore live a happier and a more peaceful life. If you were a peace magnet and you had the ability to magnetize peace towards you, be that right now and visualize peace from all over the world coming towards you to be with you in waves. Visualize peace from all over flowing towards you and wanting to be with you. Whenever you feel like, very, very gently, please open your eyes.